What's up, you guys? We got some thrusters and some graphics. Look at those. Now watch this. They automatically thrust. I'm pressing the left key on my keyboard right now. Because there's only thrusters in those two spots, I can only move down and well, now it's up. So you can take advantage of the ship spinning and put through thrusters than you would need normally. Here I added some green lines to show you how much each thruster is thrusting as I'm trying to move down. So no thrusters are facing the down direction, and now they're facing the down direction, and that's when they can contribute to where I want to move. Is done with something called a dot product. I unfortunately did not finish the UI for placing the thruster. Tomorrow problem. If we take a look at yesterday's to-do list, we finished these two things, right? Planets is the wrong color on it. Planets are not finished yet. This is what's up next now. We get these done tomorrow. By the way, look how much nicer just zooming in and out is. Game development becomes a lot of little things as you get closer to the end of the project. That was just a taste of what's to come for when I really prepare this game for public release. Yeah, the thrust to weight ratio stuff I talked about yesterday is there now. As I add more and more blocks, these thrusters aren't really cutting it. I need to build more. Let's talk some game design. So in Outer Worlds, you're flying around in space, right? No spoilers, don't worry. And you're kind of trying to figure out what happened, right? Or just what's happening. The problem is this game is designed, right? All the challenges the designers conceptualized you solving. Although the witness is a lot more puzzly, in a similar manner, you're kind of solving challenges designed for you to solve in a certain manner, right? In this game, the challenges will be open-ended and require engineering and ingenuity, right? You know, kind of like these bridge builder games. You gotta figure out how to solve it. Although these bridge building games, they're a lot more constrained than the one I'm trying to make. Anyways, I'll look at these other spaceship 2D fighting games. You know, this game Reassembly. So you are kind of creatively building these ships. But if you look at how many components there are, it's more about stats and stat upgrades than it is about some kind of cool physical mechanism, right? It's not cleverness so much as it is strategy. This is a strategy numbers game. All my games puzzles and challenges to be a lot more like Portal 2's, right? Where it's just a momentum puzzle. How do I even move this stuff over there? You know what I mean? Like and subscribe.